Hi, I'm Brock Shepard, and I'm the president of SGA.
Hi, my name is Andrea Tobin, and I'm your Ponce Lead RA.
Regardless of Tropical Storm Ian's path, it is always important to know how and what to do to prepare.
And here are 3 tips to get you started.
First, bookmark links to the National Hurricane Center and the St. Johns County's Emergency Management website.
And in case of an evacuation, be sure to know your evacuation routes, your evacuation zones, and have a plan, whether that's staying with friends, family, or at a shelter.
It's also important to know what to take with you on the road and what to pack up in your room or apartment. And don't forget to fill up with gas.
And remember, stay safe, stay informed, and plan accordingly, Saints.
We got this.